welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a how to cornrow video. If you do not know how to cornrow braid your hair, then this is the video for you. And since today is like the third or fourth day since I braided my hair in the last video, I am just going to be refreshing my braids, but I thought that this was the perfect time to show you guys how to braid if you do not know how to. But before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and also give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave any video suggestions in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm just starting off with my water bottle that has water and Jamaican black castor oil in it, and then I'm also going to be using the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner. So I'm just going to take my hair out and put a good amount of water on it. Once you put a good amount of water on your hair, you just want to make sure that you finger detangle, and just make sure that you focus on your ends with the water. Next, you want to go in and get a few pumps of conditioner and just put it in your hair, focusing on your ends. Next, we're going to just kind of start the part in the front here, in like a triangular shape, and then you want to take the first strand and then take your middle finger, wrap it around the third strand, and then here you have your second strand. So you want to take strand 2, push your thumb to gather hair into strand 3, take strand 1, take this middle finger on your other hand, grab strand 2, pull out strand 3, then you're going to just keep repeating that. And it's just like you grab the strand, push more into the strand that you're holding with your other hand, grab with your middle finger, push with your thumb, grab with your middle finger. I'll just do it slowly for you guys to see. And then I'll explain it one more time. Push with this thumb on this arm up here, push with your thumb, take this hand, grab that strand, and then you want to take your middle finger, wrap it around the furthest strand, and then pull the other piece over. I hope that wasn't too confusing for you guys to understand, but I'll show you on the other side as well. And then it's just regular braiding for the rest of the way. Alright, for the other side, just take it out of the bun and then repeat the same steps. Make sure that it has a good amount of water and conditioner. Alright, and instead of explaining with numbers and instructions, I'm just going to try to show you guys to see if you guys can see. Alright, so take this strand and this in your left hand. You want to push the outside hair in, grab the strand that's in the middle, let go with your right hand, and then grab the strand that was furthest away from your left hand, grab the furthest left strand, pull it underneath the strand that was in the middle, push your thumb to gather hair into that middle strand, pull the furthest strand with your middle finger, and then just repeat those steps. Push with your thumb, go to the furthest left strand, pull underneath the middle strand and just keep braiding. And then lay your edges, add any hair accessories that you want, and that is how I cornrow my natural hair. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can be notified every time that I post a new video. And also, don't forget to leave comments in the comment section to tell me whether or not you liked the video or give me video suggestions for another video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!